This video provides a full operational description of the BriefCam VS Forensics client application. Let's begin. Upon launching BriefCam VS Forensics, the video synopsis screen appears. To process a video, click on the Video Selection button. Click Browse to locate your video. Select your video and click Open. You can use the default name, or you can give the video a new name if you want. Set the start time and date, or use the default time and date. Click OK. The video synopsis begins processing immediately. If you're working with a system that generates multiple video clips, select all the desired clips, check Combined Summary, and click OK. The video synopsis begins processing immediately, generating a single synopsis from the multiple clips. You can process up to 4 videos at one time and queue an unlimited number of videos. Even before processing is finished, you can view a partial synopsis within a few seconds. We'll start with a fully processed video. Select your synopsis from the drop-down menu, and it begins to play automatically. You can set event timeframes and change your synopsis settings. Set the time frame by typing or using the arrows. Start time and date, end time and date. When you're done, click Apply. The timeline bar is located at the upper right-hand side of the screen. It presents event density over time. To change the time frame, drag the timeline bar markers to the desired time frame and click Apply. Light blue equals fewer events. Dark blue means more events. Gray means no events. To pause or play the video synopsis, click on the Pause or Play button. Drag the slider over the progress bar to choose which part of the video synopsis to play. Placing the mouse cursor over the video automatically slows down the playing speed. When the mouse cursor is moved off of the window, the video returns to normal speed. You can also select specific events. Place the cursor over the desired event and click on it. The video playback stops, and the timestamp of that event is displayed. In cases where objects overlap, the selected object is marked in light blue and brought forward. Click to browse through the overlapping objects. You can also play the video frame by frame using the left and right keyboard arrow keys. Settings can be adjusted even while the synopsis is being played. The speed slider adjusts the playing speed. Move the speed slider to the left to slow down the playing speed. Move the speed slider to the right to increase the playing speed. Density refers to the number of events that are shown at once. If the frame contains too many events, you can control it with the density slider. To change the event density, move the density slider to the left. This will reduce the event density, meaning the number of events in the frame. Move the density slider to the right, and it will increase the number of events. Adjusting the slider will affect the length of your video synopsis. Events can be marked by using the Event Marker button. Event markers enable the user to keep track of all the events shown in the video synopsis. Here they are marked and unmarked. Events can be time-stamped by using the Timestamp button. The timestamp shows the hour and minute when the event first appeared. Timestamped, and not timestamped. These functions let you see the range of events over time and all at once. For example, this event happened at 12:30. This event happened at 1:44, a little over an hour later. With video synopsis, you see objects simultaneously, yet as separate events. Two other important features are Area of Interest, or AOI, and Area of Exclusion, or AOE. Both let you define specific regions for synopsis. Let's say we're only interested in the top half of the screen. Click the Edit icon. The toolbar opens. Click on the AOI icon, the one with the plus sign. Define an area of interest, and click Apply. Now, only the objects that pass through the area of interest appear in the synopsis video. Notice that the amount of time needed to view the synopsis goes down significantly with AOI. Let's say we're only interested in the bottom half of the screen. Go back to the Edit mode. Clear the previous selection by clicking on the small X icon. Click on the AOE icon, the minus sign. Define the area of exclusion and click Apply. Now, only the objects that do not pass through the defined area appear in the video synopsis. With AOE, as with AOI, the amount of time needed to view the synopsis goes down significantly. To change either the area of interest or the area of exclusion, select Edit, select the desired function, redefine. You can also select more than one area, and click Apply. While viewing, you can toggle these functions on and off, and on again. The speed, AOI, AOE, and density settings can be saved as camera defaults for the local user. To save these settings, click on the Save as Default icon. The next time the camera is opened by the local user, these saved settings will be the defaults. Export your video synopsis in a single right-click, or click on the Export to Video icon. You may want to view the original event as it happened. To do this, select the event and click on the Back to Original Video icon. You can also view the original video by right-clicking on an event. A new window appears with the original video. The original video provides you with the event, plus a few seconds before the event, and a few seconds after. Adjust the pre-event runtime and the post-event runtime by clicking on the clock icon. You can view anywhere between 1 second and 1 minute before and after the event. Drag the handles to manually adjust the pre- and post-event runtime. This changes the length of the event. Play the event. Adjust the playing speed, slower or faster. The replay button replays the event over and over in a loop. Once you've got your settings, export the original video with a simple right-click. Name the video. Select a location and press Save. Managing databases. After a file is processed into a video synopsis, it is saved in a database that can be recalled and reviewed. A database consists of one or more synopsis videos. To open an existing database, click on the Open DB icon. To create a new database, click on the database icon. Name the database, select a location, and click Open. This concludes the BriefCam VS Forensics tutorial. For additional information, please refer to the BriefCam Operation Manual. For news and updates, visit our website at www.briefcam.com.